Hi, thank you for tuning in. I am Ambarish, a Mumbai-based Microsoft certified professional, and this video is about splitting data into multiple columns. I've been given a data in column B from B3 to B9, wherein I've been given some names, first names as well as the last names in that column B. I've been asked to split this data in such a way that all the first names appear in column C, and all the last names, surnames, appear in column D. So let's look at two methods to achieve this. One is using formula, right, using some inbuilt functions, and the other is with flash fill. So I've got two sheets here, and let's look at them one by one. Well, I like the flash fill method more, but remember the flash fill is only available in Excel 2013 and above. Okay, so I keep my mouse on cell C3 where I would like to extract the first name, which is Bhagat, right? Now, because the first name is given to me on the left hand side of the cell, I will start with a function called left equal to left. It asks me for text. I can select the cell number B3 where the text is given to me. Then there is a comma, and then it asks me for number of characters. Now, if it is just Bhagat, I can type 6. I know Bhagat has 6 characters. The next one in the list is Shivaji, which is 7 characters. However, I can't keep doing a manual counting for every name. Hence, I will ask Excel to do the counting for me. I will ask Excel to look for space. So I'm saying, hey, Excel, please find space for me. So find double quotes, space, double quotes, comma. It says within text, well, it's the B3 cell and I'm done. That's it. I can now hit double enter. Remember, there are two functions opened up in the cell, so double enter, and that's it. In fact, control double enter, and that's it. I'm able to stay in the same cell. That's it. I can just double click and I've been able to achieve what I was looking for. Now remember, when you remove the formula, this is still in the formula mode, mind you. When you press F2, you can see there is a formula. So if you wish to remove the formula, you can always do a paste special. So select the entire column, right click on the boundary of the selection, drag out a bit, move it back to its original place, and then say copy here as values only. Done. Now when you hit F2, you will realize that there is an extra space added after every name. So what I could have done is this, equal to left, take the reference of B3, comma, start the find function inside the left function. I am looking for space, so double quotes, space, double quotes, comma, within text is this B3. I close this bracket and I will subtract this by 1. Remember, there was this extra space which was appearing, right? So -1 will take care of that. That's it. I do a control double enter and I'm done. I just do a double click and I've got the answers the way I wanted. Again, let's not forget to select the column, right click on the boundary, drag out a bit, move back to the original place, release the mouse click, and copy here as values only. There you go. So I've been able to split the first names the way I wanted in column C. Now, let's do it for the last name as well. So because the last names are given to me on the right hand side of the cell, I will use a function called write. Where is my text? My text is right here, B3, comma. Now this time I would want to start with the function called len. I want Excel to first look into the entire length of B3 and then simply subtract, right, where it finds a space. So the find function will be the way I had used earlier. That's it. Again, control double enter. I've been able to get the answer, double click, and then I can just do a right click, move it back to its original place, copy here as values only, and that's it, F2. Yep, you can see Singh, Bhosle, Tendulkar, Bachchan, Kohli, everything has been taken care of. Singham, right. Okay, now let's look at the flash fill method as well, which is on the other sheet. So let's quickly move on, control page down. Now here I simply type Bhagat, B-H-A-G-A-T, control enter, done. I can just do a control E. That's it, it's done, right? Once again, I type Singh, S-I-N-G-H, control enter. And now I can also click on the data tab and click on this flash fill feature. That's it. So control E is the shortcut, while the data and the flash fill is the ribbon method. You can also drag it down and click flash fill from the autofill options. That's it, guys. So I hope you've liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye.